Hello and welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to install MySQL Workbench on your computer. To start, let's open Google. And in Google, type MySQL Workbench. And under the Google search results, select the one that has the www.mysql.com. So I'm going to select this one. And it should bring you to this page. I'm going to click download now. And it will bring you to this page. I'm going to click go to download page. And I'm going to select this first one. I'm going to select no thanks, just start my download. And it has started downloading my file. I'm going to give that a second. Once the file has been downloaded, I'm going to double click it to select it. And I'm going to click yes. I'm going to click yes again. And I'm going to select yes. Then on this page, click custom and click next. And on this page, select the plus under applications. Then select the MySQL Workbench, select that plus. The current version is version 8. I'm going to click that plus, and I'm going to select the very first one at the top and click this arrow to move it over. With this, we are just installing the MySQL Workbench because that's the only thing we need. I'm going to click next and review everything and click execute. And it is now downloading it. Once that's complete, click next and click execute. Give it a couple of seconds to finish that. Then once the install is complete, click next and click finish. And we have installed MySQL Workbench and it should open this up for you. And if it doesn't open this up, you can just go into your start and you should find it here, click it, and it would open this for you. And this is how you install MySQL Workbench on your computer. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.